everyone. Today I'm going to share a very interesting video with you. It's a DIY and honestly I'm just like two left hands in painting, like people are two left feet in dancing. So I'm not at all good in painting, but with this Fevicryl DIY kit I've tried my hand a little bit on painting and created something, and have a look at it and let me know if you like it. And yes, stay tuned, there's a very interesting contest also coming up. So recently I have published a book and I wanted to get the book's cover page printed on a bag, but nobody was ready to print just one bag for me. So I thought, let me try and paint it myself. I ordered a plain white sling bag online. Bag's material was something like canvas. It was not very smooth. So initially I was also skeptical, should I go ahead, how the painting will come out, but then I just went ahead and started on it. I gathered all the material that was required to begin, which was Fevicryl fabric colors, paint brushes and pencil. I sketched the desired image and text with pencil on the bag. And then I started to paint. I realized that the colors were coming out really smooth. In spite of the fact that the material was little coarse and rough, still the colors were running very smoothly, and that gave a very free hand to my painting. The best part was no water or color medium was required to dilute the paint, and that made the whole thing very easy. Now, to write the text and outline the images, I used a black permanent marker because I was not sure if I use color and paintbrush to do this, how it will turn out. And to make it a little more interesting and colorful, I added some pom-poms to it. I also removed the white sling of the bag and replaced it with a leather sling that I already had from an old purse. And ta-da! Here it is. A bag with my book's cover painted on it. With Fevicryl Hobby Ideas fabric colors, it was an easy job for me. And you know what? Not only me, my 12-year-old daughter Alina, even she loves to take it whenever she goes out.